Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by verifying band-to-watch compatibility, size, model, and Hermes orientation. Once confirmed, clean the rail connectors and inspect the clasp for debris. Make sure the leather is flexible by gently bending it. This prevents pinching. Line up the band with the watch slots and orient the Hermes logo toward the watch face if required. You'll be working quickly but carefully. Keep the release buttons accessible and use good light so the tiny rails seat smoothly. Slide the first rail into the watch slot at a shallow angle, then push straight until you hear or feel a click. This is the tactile confirmation the latch engaged. Once done, turn the watch and repeat with the other strap. Maintain even pressure and don't force it. After both are attached, gently tug each strap to confirm the rails are fully seated and the leather sits flush with the case. If one side feels loose, remove and reseat it carefully. Correct seating prevents accidental release. To finish, place the watch on your wrist and thread the free strap through the Hermes clasp. Align holes for the correct fit. Fasten the clasp and adjust until you can slide one finger comfortably between band and wrist. This gives security without pinching. Once closed, inspect alignment so the case sits centered and Hermes hardware faces outward. If the band feels loose or uneven, remove it and check the rail seating and connector cleanliness. Reseat or clean with a soft cloth. Then try again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.